Retail Computer Customer Details Dashboard in Power BI. This is our dashboard of customer. We can filter here anything. For example, date from dragging, and also select country in slicer. I have used table for customer details, and also anything filter from table. In funnel chart, I have taken key product category, and I can also filter any one category from here. Then I have used ribbon chart for business type, and I can select any type, and that will be filter from here. Then I have used also map for view, and also filter state from here. Let us know if you want to know more any specific features in Power BI. Contact us to make these type of dashboard, Excel automation, MIS or report automation, to buy new, renew, consultancy and implementation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in next video.